Huntley, let's show Daddy how you scoot. Look. Come and get it. Say, Daddy, I just turned 7 months old about a week ago, and look at me. I'm all over the place. Such a big boy now. Let him get it. Yay! Good job, Huntley. Good boy. Say, Daddy, I'm growing. Nathan, get out of his face. Huntley. Look. You want to say hi to Daddy? Huntley.
I will hold him.
No, he's fine. Nathan. Alright. Say bye-bye, Daddy. Nathan, you want to say bye-bye, Daddy?
Bye-bye.